Hi, Tony. It's great to meet you. I heard a lot about you from Sarah.
Hi, Jason. Nice to meet you too. Sarah told me you're really into photography. That's cool.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I love capturing moments. By the way, I really like your jacket. It looks super stylish.
Thanks. I got it on sale last week. I like finding good deals.
That's awesome. So, what brought you here today?
Well, Sarah thought we might hit it off since we both enjoy creative hobbies. I'm a graphic designer. How about you? Why do you enjoy photography?
For me, it's about storytelling. A single picture can tell an entire story, you know? Do you feel the same way about your designs?
Absolutely. Graphic design is all about communicating ideas visually. By the way, what kind of stories do you like to capture in your photos?
Mostly street photography, capturing the everyday lives of people. How about you? What inspires your designs?
Nature and music inspire me the most. I often listen to music while working to spark creativity.
That's amazing. Speaking of music, do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar as a hobby. What about you?
I sing, but only in the shower. Maybe we could combine our talents sometime.
Sounds like fun. Let's plan something soon.
Definitely. Oh, and I wanted to ask, what's your go-to icebreaker when meeting someone new?
Hmm. I usually start with a compliment or ask about their interests. It's a good way to break the ice. What about you?
I agree. Compliments always work. And asking about hobbies is a great way to connect.
True. By the way, what's your favorite compliment you've ever received?
Someone once told me my photos make them feel like they're part of the moment. That meant a lot to me. How about you?
Someone told me my designs brought their vision to life. It's a great feeling, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's nice when people appreciate your work. Tony, you mentioned earlier that you're inspired by music. What kind of music do you enjoy?
I'm into indie and rock. It's just so soulful and raw. How about you?
I love indie too. Have you heard of the Lumineers?
Of course, their music is so heartfelt. Do you have a favorite song?
Ophelia is my favorite. It always lifts my mood. By the way, do you often go to concerts?
Whenever I can. Live music has an unmatched energy. Have you been to any concerts recently?
Not recently, but I'd love to. Maybe we can go to one together.
That would be great. Do you know any upcoming events?
I'll check and let you know. By the way, what's your favorite memory from a concert?
Meeting the band backstage once. It was unreal. How about you? Any memorable moments?
Just enjoying the music with friends. It's about the shared experience.
That's true. Speaking of shared experiences, what's one activity you've always wanted to try with a friend?
Hiking in the mountains. It's something I've never done. What about you?
Cooking together. I think it'd be fun to learn new recipes.
That sounds like a great idea. Maybe we could plan a cooking day?
Let's do it. I'll bring my favorite recipe.
Tony, how did you get started with graphic design?
I've always loved drawing, even as a kid. What about you? How did your photography journey begin?
My dad gave me his old camera when I was 15. I've been hooked ever since. Why do you think design is so fulfilling for you?
It's about creating something meaningful. Do you feel the same about photography?
Definitely. Every photo tells a story. By the way, what's the most challenging project you've worked on?
Designing a logo for a startup. It took weeks of revisions. How about you? Any challenging shoots?
A wedding in the rain, but it turned out beautifully.
That sounds like a lot of work. How do you stay motivated during tough projects?
I remind myself of the end result. Seeing the final product is always rewarding. How about you?
I focus on the client's satisfaction. Knowing they'll love it keeps me going.
That's a great mindset. Do you ever collaborate with other designers?
Sometimes it's a good way to learn new techniques. Have you ever worked with other photographers?
A few times. Collaboration always brings fresh ideas. Tony, what's your favorite way to spend weekends?
Hiking or exploring new places. What about you?
I enjoy exploring too. Maybe we can go on a hike sometime.
I'd love that. Any favorite trails?
There's a great one near the lake. What's your dream destination?
Japan. The culture and scenery are incredible. How about you?
Iceland for the Northern Lights. It's on my bucket list.
Let's make a travel plan someday.
Definitely. It'd be an adventure.
Speaking of adventures, have you ever tried something completely out of your comfort zone?
Yes, ziplining. It was terrifying, but thrilling. How about you?
Skydiving. It was the scariest and most amazing thing I've ever done.
Wow, that's brave. I'd love to try that someday. Tony, I had a great time today. Thanks for hanging out.
Same here, Jason. It's always fun chatting with you.
Let's grab coffee again next week.
Sure, let's pick a time and place.
Sounds good. Take care, Tony.
You too, Jason. See you soon.
Oh, before I forget, what's one thing you think makes a friendship strong?
Trust and good communication. How about you?
I'd say shared experiences and mutual respect. Let's keep building those.
Absolutely. Looking forward to our next adventure.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.